Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can log in Canva with Google. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Canva application. So once you open the Canva application, you will be brought up with this login homepage. So in order to sign up with Google, go ahead and tap on continue with Google. Now once you tap on it, you will be taken to the Google account. To select the Google account, and then once you selected the Google account, you will be successfully logged into Canva with Google and you will be good to go. So this is how easily you can log in Canva with Google. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.